Very much for the extremely warm Sabahan welcome. I'm really touched by it, and I'm delighted to be here. It's 18 months since I was last in Sabah, which is far too long. And when the opportunity came to come here, I grabbed it. And because I really wanted to come and visit, particularly wanted to come and visit the projects that we're sponsoring and funding here, because they're just really exciting ways of building from the grassroots, working with organisations like yourselves to find solutions that actually work and then are not overcomplicated, you know, that will only last for a short time. It's got to be sustainable, it's got to be addressing a real need, bringing real benefits to communities, and hopefully that can be replicated elsewhere. From what I've seen here of these amazing inventions that you put together, that you tick all of those boxes. So it's fantastic to be working with you, and I'm really looking forward to being able to see the stuff in operation in the field, which I think we're doing over the next couple of days. So it's going to be a really great trip. Thank you all very much indeed. Thank you for all your hard work and your cooperation, and it's been great working with you thus far, and I hope we carry on working with you for a long time to come.